again today, and we are working on the short bed. Tony, words? But we're gonna be doing the we're gonna be doing the mods that every first owner should do to
dude, we gotta make a Doghouse
truck.
official.
What? Oh yeah, we're doing that first.
Yeah, just so people don't make fun of us. All right, we are going to
do the
muffler delete.
Yeah,
but we got our 2.5-inch pipe in there. We're not doing it because, you know, like a lot of, I guess, high schoolers or whatever. We're doing it because, one, we want it to sound good. We're gonna be doing the cam soon, so again, we want it to sound good. And we don't want to purchase a full exhaust system because the next phase on this after that will be
turbo. Yeah, it's going turbo, and it's going to be a fender exit.
Yeah, so we're not gonna
turbo.
spend money on a whole exhaust system that's not even going to be useful when go turbo. So we're just gonna delete the muffler. We might do a over axle dump. We might leave it how it is.
Honestly, I'll probably just leave it how it is for now because I really don't want to go there.
Just do a quick muffler delete, you know.
So we're gonna be doing a muffler delete on this today. That middle seat needs to go inside the truck today, and then after we get those done, we'll kind of check back up with you guys. Oh, and
we'll go over some stuff that we're
just a quick update too, because I've already ordered a couple things. Ordered taillights for this because
taillight and headlight kit.
Yeah, taillights and headlights. They're both smoked, and got a tonneau cover for this.
That'll look sharp.
Yeah, so it'll clean this up quite a bit. But if anybody's looking for this like plastic interior,
bed liner.
Yeah, bed liner. That's gonna have to go. So just hit up in the comments if you are around the St. Louis area and you want to pick it up. So other than that, I think we're gonna get started on this muffler delete. So
heck yeah.
You ready? All right, let's do this, guys.
Yeah. Making some progress. Let's see what he's looking like. What the heck? What is going on under here?
Dude, it's just a little
Dude, are you cutting out the fuel tank, man?
Yeah. Exactly what's happening.
Oh yeah, get that nasty guy out of here.
Here you go.
What the heck? Been a while since I've seen a muffler before.
Dude,
this thing's freaking gigantic.
It really is. It just freed up a lot of space.
Yeah, a bunch of space. It feels like quite a bit of weight. Oh wow.
Yeah, that's pretty heavy.
And this actually had a leak. Little rusty pinhole with some soot blowing out of it.
Dude, nice. We're just making this better.
You know, give them a little underside view.
Oh yeah,
Cut
I
right
got
there.
You. All this rust that's everywhere. Just a little 2.5. Everything's kind of rusty down here, so definitely needs treated. Nice little 4L60 up there. Dude, it's not horrible underneath here, but definitely could be better.
Yeah, we're gonna get it treated and whatnot.
Yeah. But we're gonna have to grind down some stuff and clean it up before we treat it. But other than that, we'll be back in a second. I just gotta clean those up just so we can make sure the connector slips over. Clean this one up too so the connector slips over. Yep. But other than that, we should be good.
Yeah, so basically what we're gonna put on here, guys, is that 2.5-inch kit that I had bought this last winter. I got excess material from doing the Z's exhaust. So yeah, I'm gonna throw this little straight pipe in there, you know, give it some straight pipe. We'll be back. We got the new muffler made. Shoot, if I can hold on to this dang thing. You know, old one looking pretty good. There's my foot for representation. Dude, new one. Let's get her installed, guys. All right, guys.
Had to make a couple adjustments on the original pipe.
Yeah, it never seems to turn out as easy as it sounds when you do a muffler delete. We definitely got it tackled. Let me see if I can peek under there and give you guys a good view of what we got. Well, hang on. Yeah, we had we got a bunch of clamps. We only used one. We ended up having to weld it under there, which was Pretty difficult, but pretty sure we got it done. Haven't started it yet, so let's see what we got going. Let it warm up. Doesn't sound too bad, guys. A little 4.8 in there. That's a cold start. All right, give it some. Not bad, not bad. Here, take this. I'm gonna get a swig.
Dude, this pretty exciting. But while Tony was welding that up and everything, I'm gonna cut this off because this thing might be a little too loud. You guys might not be able to hear me. But while Tony was welding that up, we still gotta do that center seat right there. But we were also looking at the Trailblazer.
We just got that thing fixed. We just got some help from our boy
Brandon.
It does good,
but it eats a little oil, so we're gonna have to go and check out.
I believe we split the valve seals.
Yeah, so we're gonna have to check out those. But while that's happening, I mean,
we're gonna see what those look like, because there's a couple of SS wheels on Facebook, and if they look good on here,
put those Trailblazer SS wheels on here. See how it turns out. If I like those on here, I'll probably just wait and get some snowflakes for the Trailblazer SS and leave the roll around on some rubber bands on those, and then have the Trailblazer SS wheels on here.
Yeah, because they got pretty good meat.
We're just gonna get that done real quick, and we'll probably come back.
Yeah, because you know us here at Doghouse Garage, we can't just leave it looking like this.
Yeah, we can't leave it looking like Grandpa, and stuff's still in the mail for us.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we're just gonna throw that center seat in. So we have an so I have an armrest when I'm driving, and
we both have an armrest. We both utilize it.
Yeah,
we touch elbows.
Yeah, we do. And then we're gonna throw those Trailblazer SS wheels on there, and then we will be back. All right, guys. Tragedy struck.
Yeah, our first tragedy with it.
Yeah.
Our first disappointment.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I'll go show like the accomplishments, what we got done, real quick. Just show that we actually did something.
Check out that interior.
Yeah, I'm closing this real quick. But yeah, this is all cleaned up. We got this center armrest dashing. It's just 8 bolts and all good. But like, we found like hair clips and everything underneath.
Yeah,
it was
we got found like $3 and change.
Yeah, it was stupidly dirty under the seats. But as you can see, floors are a lot cleaner now, etc., etc. But going on to the disappointment.
Dude, we got the wheels on. No, look.
No, dude. These amazing stock wheels that we were going to trade out with the Trailblazer, they don't fit, even though they look like really nice on this. Yeah. Like, these style wheels would fit really nicely, but apparently I forgot about this, Tony forgot about this, but the Trailblazer wheels, the reason why it has to have the reps is because the lug pattern is different. The ones on the truck are 6 by 5.5, and the ones on the Trailblazer are 6 by 5. Yeah. So we're really sad about this.
Apparently GM did the 6 by 5 by 5 on their full-size truck, and then their all boys Trailblazers, all of that, they did the by 5.
But just seeing these like mocked up, I really like it, especially 20s compared to 17s.
That's like a 1-inch spacing.
Yeah,
because they're not on the face.
Yeah, they're not even set up, but I like those. Yeah. Dude, and need fatter tires. But
so if you really want to do, you could do a 1-inch adapter to adapt them to it.
Yeah,
but then you're still looking for wheels for that. Yeah,
so honestly, probably just gonna find something the lug pattern works on and offset, because Tony likes spacers and everything, but I'm
like spacers.
Oh, okay. Tony likes making things look nice.
No, if you need correct fitment, there's point in spacing.
Yeah. I mean, he's right on that. But other than that, I think we're done with the truck today. Some Call of Duties calling our names. So we're gonna go get some Warzone dubs and close out this video, guys. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. We're gonna clean up out here real quick, and then we're gonna go get the dubs. So see you guys. Alibaba.